back to the subject. Gecko lady. There's her tail. Very nice. Now we have to see those beautiful patterns. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here. Try to get it to focus. You can see it's actually light brown and light. And a little bit raw. Down to the tail. Squishy. But she's quite lovely, I'd have to say. Had her on the day. See? She's such a good walker. Okay, let's put on some turbo speed then. Okay, back up a little bit. Back up. It's okay. There she is. Okay, turbo speed in 3, 2, 1, go. Fetch! Wow, so amazing. Wish you could see more. So beautiful. A beautiful young lady at that. Ow! Owie! She bit me!
Okay, now go put them away now. Are you done?
Owie.
Okay, they do have teeth.
Is it bleeding? No.
Can you go put her down now?
She's down. Howie. I feel bad for
I
you.
think she probably wants to be in her cage. She's probably freaked out as hell. She has no idea who we are.
Mom,
She just-
still recording. Mom, give me that recording to Dad. He's probably listening. I didn't know that she would bite. Yeah, I told you she